A solution has a pH of 3. A solution has a pH of 3. What is its hydrogen ion concentration? A solution has a pH of 3. What is its hydrogen ion concentration? Alright, so we're given the pH of this solution, the pH, to be equal to what? 3. And we're asked to look for the hydrogen ion concentration. Alright, that's what we're looking for. So what's the relationship between pH and hydrogen ion concentration? So you should know the relationship between pH of a solution and the hydrogen ion concentration is pH of a solution is equal to the negative logarithm to base 10 of the hydrogen ion concentration. Alright, the pH of a solution is equal to the negative logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentration. Alright, so we are given the pH of the solution to be what? To be 3. So my pH, which is 3, is equal to the negative logarithm of what? The hydrogen ion concentration. Alright, so I can rearrange this and write negative logarithm to base 10 of the hydrogen ion concentration is equal to what? 3. So what I have here and what I have here are the same. Alright, so the next thing I'm going to do is to eradicate this minus sign. So how do I remove this minus sign? I'll remove this minus sign by dividing both sides of the equation by minus 1. Alright, so this is divided by minus 1. This is divided by minus 1. Minus will cancel out minus. Alright, log hydrogen ion concentration divided by 1 will still give us log hydrogen ion concentration. 3 divided by minus 1 will give us what? Minus 3. Alright, so let me clean this up. So when I divide, this will be equal to log hydrogen ion concentration is equal to what? Minus 3. So what I just did is to eradicate what? This minus sign. So by eradicating this minus sign, I will have to divide both sides of the equation by minus 1 so that the minus sign can be eradicated from here. Alright, and the 3, which is on the opposite side of the equation, will not carry the minus sign. So how do I look for the hydrogen ion concentration? So the hydrogen ion concentration here will be equal to the antilog. Alright, it will be equal to the antilog of what? Of minus 3. So in order for me to remove this log, I will have to look for the antilog of both sides of the equation. So the antilog times log will cancel this log. Alright, antilog will cancel out this log, and that will make my hydrogen ion concentration to stand alone. So, and then I will look for the antilog of what? Of minus 3. So what is the antilog of minus 3? So I'll bring out my calculator and then press the antilog of minus 3. So how do I press that? I'll press shift, alright, and then I will press log and then put my value, which is what? Minus 3. And that will be equal to 1 all over what? 1000. So my hydrogen ion concentration is equal to what? 1 all over what? All over 1000. And my 1 all over 1000 is the same thing as 0.001 or 1 times 10 raised to the power of what? Minus 3. So this is my answer, mole per dm cube. Mole per dm cube. Mole per dm cube. So any of this is correct. Alright, you can decide to leave your answer like this. You can decide to leave your answer like this. You can decide also to leave your answer like this. So the hydrogen ion concentration of this solution is 1 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 mole per dm cube. Alright, it's a very simple and a straightforward question. So It's very important that you should know that the pH of a solution is equal to the negative logarithm of the hydrogen ion concentration. All right, very important, very important.